Congregation Emanuel was like open heart surgery. It was putting a brand new building in between two existing buildings, which caused a lot of the building to have to be temporarily held up in space while we did our work. It's a concrete structure, but also a steel structure. And there was a bunch of different ways. Who goes first? Does the concrete go first? Does the steel go first?
Originally, the planning had temporary bracing to hold up those walls so, those walls don't fall and tip over. But with hand-in-hand design and also efforts with our demo sub, which at that time was granite, we all had a great collaboration on seeing what plan worked best.
The eventual answer was we need to get a certain amount of concrete in to start the steel, but the job is safer, more productive if we do half of each to fill in the large hole in the middle of the project.
So the actual concrete walls that were in place, the existing building, we actually had new foundations with shotcrete walls and cast-in-place walls that we tied into that structure with new concrete. And in our new concrete structure, with our new shear walls, we had embedded plates that we had steel welded to. So you're basically building a new concrete shell inside that existing structure, and that new concrete shell is held together with a steel structure in the middle to rebuild back the levels.
It has about 24,000 square foot of metal deck spread over 5 floors. The footprint is very tiny. It has 18,000 square feet of wall, and we poured about 2,200 cubic yards of concrete.
For us, the project had a lot of sequence things that needed to get worked out on paper in order to make this the most efficient job. Because it's a small site, not everything can go at once. A lot of that was worked out through the pre-construction effort, and that was where the real victory was in the project.
The whole project team really showed teamwork, and it showed in the quality of work, and it showed in the bottom line.